Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Violet. So in today's video I decided to declutter my house. So I'm going to do the part 1 of decluttering because I felt very tired because I took out everything and I put them here in the living room. As you can see, is looking like super messy. So finally I decided to let go some of the things that I was holding on to, and I decided to let go of the baby milk and that my rice cooker, and also I decided to let go of this my blue ottoman table. So yeah, I just decluttered some of the things that I was holding to, which they were no longer used. Just I was keeping them up there. They were just occupying my space without them being useful. So I decided to let them go. It was time for me to decide, today I let them go. So if you enjoy this type of motivating video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share. And thank you so much to my subscribers for being supportive to my channel and for helping me to grow. And if you are a returning subscriber, so welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back and believing in me. So guys, let's continue
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless.
now I have to start cleaning the kitchen. So when I started in the kitchen, I felt myself like I was super tired, and I just cleaned these drawers up there, the drawers. It's been a long time ever since I cleaned in those drawers, and yeah, I was super tired, and I cleaned there. And after I was done cleaning this one, I put back, organized everything, and I couldn't have so much energy because it was time for me to start cooking dinner again and doing other things. So I had to take a small break, and then when I took that break, I just found myself that I was so tired. And then I said, oh, I have to continue this like the other day or tomorrow. So yes, guys, I hope my video made you feel motivated, and I hope you have learned one thing from my video. So if you do, please kindly share in the comment section what you have got from this video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you are watching my video to the end, guys, yeah, I appreciate those of you who have been watching my videos to the end. You don't know what your support is doing to me. I feel super excited whenever you watch my video until the end of it. It means that you are following each and every step that I'm taking to do the screening. And in some cases, maybe you are learning something. Oh, this I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. So there's some food which I've been not using as well. Like you buy some food and you ended up just keeping them in the container, and when you realize the expiry date is up, but you never used it. So I had to throw all those type of food that especially the dry ones that I normally don't use, and you end up forgetting them once you put them in the storage. Yeah, guys, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful time, and I hope you enjoyed my video. And don't forget again to subscribe, comment, and like, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any time I post a new video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time, and God bless you all.
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like